Hello everyone. Now this is one Western digital data recovery case study from one Dolphin user from Malaysia. Now we can see this is the patient hard drive ID. After the firmware repair, we have fixed the firmware issue and access to the firmware modules. This drive was busy and we need to short connect the TV9 and TV10 and disable model 2 and get this drive ready and fix the firmware issue. After that, we can enter the DFL DDP data recovery software, and then the software detects the lost partition automatically and lists all lost folders and files. So now the user just need to select the wanted folders and then right click, and also the work, right click to recover the selected files to get all lost data back. And this is one remote data recovery case study, and we just need to inform the client to recover the lost data by himself. So we have fixed many case studies by this remote support. So this TeamViewer remote support is very good for all those who need help from Dolphin Data Lab, especially for new users of Dolphin data recovery tools. And users can watch the whole process and steps on how to use Dolphin data recovery tools to repair the firmware corruption and then get lost data back by different combination of functions and tools. Thank you for watching the video.